Hi, I'm George Steimer, Senior Product Manager at Alfresco. If you're following along in the Policy and Procedure Management demo series, we're building upon a scenario where we want to make a change to a disaster recovery document. In this video, we're going to focus on the document obsolete process. So here I am with the document that we've been working with, and we've kind of gone through the entire life cycle of this document. We made a draft, we routed it for review and approval, we've made it effective, we performed a periodic review, and now let's say that this document is no longer needed in the system and is obsolete. So when we do that, when we obsolete a document, it doesn't necessarily delete it from the system, but very few users have access to see the document after it's made obsolete. So only certain users can perform this obsolescence process. I'm logged in as a user that can do that. And one of my actions here is to obsolete the document. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to say this document's been replaced. I'll just say by a different document. And then the date is the date on which this document will be made obsolete. So typically this is some date in the future, like maybe you give it a 2-week window or whatever. I'm just going to set it to today's date so we can easily see this document become obsolete. So I'm going to enter my username and password because once I do this obsolescence, it's not actually going to become obsolete yet, so the document is effective, but we do add a signature page entry for the obsolete. So I can see here that my signature was added to say that I reviewed and obsoleted the document. So now a job is running in the background to check for documents to actually make obsolete. So I'm going to go behind the scenes and just run that job and make the document move to the obsolete state. Okay, we're back. So this document is now obsolete. And we can see it's still the 2.0 version, but it is now obsolete. And if I go ahead and go to search my user with elevated permissions, I'm going to go ahead and search for that document. And again, my user can see the 2.0 obsolete as well as the 1.0 superseded. Now I'm going to log out and log in as a consumer user. I'm going to just go ahead and run that same search. We can see even if this user knows the exact doc number, when they do a search across all versions, to this user, it looks like that document just doesn't exist. Well, that's it for this short demo. I hope you've enjoyed the Policy and Procedure demo series. If you haven't already, be sure to follow along with the other videos in the series. Thanks for watching.